I know you continue to act, but what else is going on in your life?
Well, Christopher Knight Home, #1, has now transitioned to its 6th year, going into its 6th year.
Congratulations.
Where we just keep growing. I'm absolutely pleased, astounded, and a little bit shocked that we're doing so well. And now Christopher Knight Home is morphed or extended
What
into
kind
a
of
new
stuff
brand.
is in there?
Well, Christopher Knight Home is a kind of an emporium of home goods, home furniture. So stools, chairs, some tables, couches, outdoor. We're huge in the outdoor market with outdoor sofa sets and fire pits and the like. Recently also got involved with some barbecues. And now we're extending the brand, Christopher Knight, into Christopher Knight Collection, which is more a very specific, cultured, curated line of quality products, whether they be men's dress T-shirts or fun artistic T-shirts, but it's clothes, it's everything outside of the furniture realm.
Just really getting your personality into each one of these things.
Instead of an emporium, it's going to be more select. It's sort of about the idea that it's your life. Dress it up, make it a life you love.
How fun!
Yeah.
Isn't that great? And I'm sure pretty soon we're going to be able to find this stuff everywhere.
I hope so.
Me
Christopher
too.
Knight everywhere.
Ooh, sounds
Maybe
good.
we'll sell some pork.
And applesauce.